Deadline. Meet the deadline or miss the deadline. Practice English every day. Deadline is a time or date before which a particular task must be finished or a particular thing must be done. Deadlines are a way to manage productivity and motivate people to complete the work. Don't let the grass grow under your feet. Done. Unbelievable. It's 5 a.m. Hi, Tom. Hey, are you okay? Hi, Jack. You should go look in the mirror. You have big dark circles around your eyes. Never mind. I just want to go to sleep now. Did you stay up all night? I went to bed at 5 a.m., had to get up at 8 a.m., and now I'm here. Why do you go to bed late? It's not good for your health and your brain. Today is the day to submit my research paper to the professor. So I had to stay up all night to meet the deadline. Is everything okay? Yes, it is okay, but I'm not okay. I thought you had enough time to finish that. What happened? I thought it was a long time before the deadline, so I put it aside. I just started working 4 days ago. I still thought that I had plenty of time to meet the deadline. Unexpectedly, there were so many things I had to research and find out. It takes a lot of time. What should I say? It serves you right. Come on. Because things don't always go to your plan. You need to know exactly what your task involves. Make sure you have what you need to meet the deadline and create a detailed schedule and a daily checklist. Do you usually do all of this to meet deadlines? Always. I don't like working without a plan. This is a lesson for me in the future. But I'm so exhausted now. Would you like a hot cup of coffee? I will pay it for you. Thank you. You're sleeping, right? Jessica is passing by. Wow, she is so pretty. Where? Where? You tricked me. What are people talking about? Hi, Eric. I'm going to Korea on business next week. When will you leave for? How long will you stay? Let me check my schedule. I'm going to set off on the 7th and come back on the 14th this month. Okay. I will book a ticket and room for you. Which flight do you like? Let me think. Well, the flight takes off at about 11 a.m. How about the hotel? What's your requirement about the hotel? Please, book the hotel that you booked for me last time. I like it. Okay. I received confirmation of the ticket and hotel. I will give you. Please, remind me to bring my passport and the important things. Thank you. I will. You always forget. I know. And now it looks like I forgot to do something. Something? I feel it too. Have you completed the plan requested by your superiors? Yes. Have you prepared all the documents for your business trip? I did. Do we have a meeting this week?
Yes.
When is the meeting scheduled?
Tomorrow.
Look around. What are people talking about?
I don't know. Let me ask. I see everyone in the company walking around, holding papers, and talking so much. What's going on? You don't remember?
No, I don't. Me too.
There was an emergency meeting between our department head and the board of directors. Check your mail again.
What mail?
Starting this month, everyone must submit their personal reports to the manager. Tomorrow is the deadline.
Tomorrow? I remember it.
How can we forget
it?
I have to go work to meet the deadline.
Do it now, or we'll miss the deadline, Aerith. Where should I start?
From going to your desk. You missed the deadline. The deadline for team homework is next Monday. If you have any problem, you can call me or email me. Do your best. Goodbye, class.
I think we should discuss the team homework.
Okay, Mary. Let's start.
As we just discussed, I will assign tasks to each person and send them to our group's email.
Next Monday is the deadline. We should complete our personal task this Friday. And we'll have a meeting and edit together this Sunday morning.
I agree.
Okay. Okay. I'll start doing homework on Wednesday night. Today and tomorrow there's the basketball match. I have to watch.
About our team homework, is everything still good?
Of course. I almost finished. I started doing it as soon as I got your email, Mary.
How about you, Jacob?
I think I'll complete it before our deadline.
Me too. Jacob, everyone submitted their personal task, but I haven't received any email from you.
I'm sorry, Mary. I just did half of it.
A half? You missed the deadline.
I'm sorry.
Tomorrow, we'll meet and discuss together. You should plan ahead.
Actually, there are some things in the homework that I don't understand.
Why don't you tell our team about it before the deadline?
I thought I could do it. I kept doing it that way, but I still haven't found the answer. I'm sorry.
What can I do for you?
Shall we video call? I need your help.
Okay, let's finish it together tonight.
Thank you.
But next time, if you have something to ask, let the whole team know instead of missing the deadline.
Sure, I will. I'm so sorry. Mary, let's open the book on page 192.
Okay.
You can see question 5 near the bottom of the page. I'm wondering that question.
I see it. Let's start.
I finished it.
Sarah, I don't want to talk about the thesis at all, but how is your thesis? I finished it. Really? I finished it a long time ago. 5 days ahead of the deadline. That's my habit.
I haven't finished chapter 1 yet.
Aren't you afraid of missing the deadline?
Of course, but recently there is an attractive drama series I watch every night, then often overslept until morning. Its name is Sunset.
I also watched that movie.
How did you finish the thesis so quickly?
I always start working as soon as possible, even if the deadline is weeks away. I will break them down into smaller parts and set a deadline to finish each part.
You are so hardworking. Why do you look so sad?
Today is the worst day.
What happened?
Have you guys finished your thesis yet?
I'm about to finish chapter 1.
I finished it.
How about you, Bella?
I'm half done. I save it on my computer. This morning when I turned on the computer, it didn't work.
How about your thesis?
It's still on my computer. I took it to the shop for repair. They said they would call me later.
It's okay, Bella. Did the computer repair shop call you?
They said they could fix my computer, and I can pick up my laptop tomorrow.
See, everything's gonna be all right.
What is the deadline for the thesis?
Next Monday morning.
What day is today?
Tuesday.
We have 5 days left to meet the deadline.
I think I have to finish my thesis quickly. You should. Don't miss the deadline.
I should continue to research and prepare for the next part. After this case, I will complete the following tasks ahead of time.
Close to the deadline, we don't know what will happen. Following him. Hi, Daisy.
Is that you, Daniel? Why didn't you call me until now? I miss you so much.
I'm sorry, Bae. I was busy.
It's okay, Daniel. But what has happened to you recently? I haven't seen you in our workplace for 2 weeks, and you didn't even call or message me. Where are you now?
Well, I'm in my hometown right now. My father's really weak, and I need to take care of him.
I see. Can I come and visit your family?
Well, yeah. I also want to ask you a question related to that.
Okay, Bae. What's wrong?
Do you want to move to my hometown and live with me here?
What did you say, Daniel? You want me to start a new life in your hometown? What about our jobs in the city?
Actually, my father wants me to stay here to work for the family hotel.
Wait, does that mean you have to quit your current job and live in your hometown permanently?
I think I have to move, Daisy. My family really wants me to look after the family hotel. But I love you, Daisy. I don't want to break up with you. Are you willing to move here because of me?
I don't think I can, Bae. I have a great job here, and all of my family and friends live in the city. I have no reasons to leave them.
I see. I know, it's really hard for both of us.
I love you too, Daniel. I really want to be together with you, but...
I think we need some time to think about our own problems. I will call you later, Bay.
Okay, Daniel. I believe that we can figure out a way together.